Welcome to Ace My Exams Learning. Let us get started with today's learning.
Religion Studies Grade 12. Question: in the context of religion, give a brief explanation of religious identity. Religious identity is the way in which individuals define themselves and are recognized by others based on their religion. It refers to the qualities and practices that connect a person to a specific faith tradition. Religious identity is shaped by religious characteristics that give people a sense of who they are. These characteristics may include sacred teachings, prayer, moral conduct, or traditions that guide their daily life. In this way, identity becomes a source of self-understanding and personal meaning. An equally important feature is that it also gives a sense of belonging arising from shared teachings, values, and rituals or practices. Believers come together for communal worship, observe festivals, and share moral teachings, all of which create a deep feeling of unity. This belonging strengthens both personal faith and community life. Religious symbols are an integral part of religious identity because they outwardly demonstrate faith and membership in a religious group. For example, a Christian cross, a Hindu tilak, or Islamic calligraphy reflect devotion and remind both the wearer and the community of their religious ties. Question: in the context of religion, give a brief explanation of unity. Unity in religion is the sense of togetherness and oneness that exists among believers within the same faith or across different traditions. It is about being connected through shared beliefs and practices while working towards harmony. Unity is expressed as standing together for a common purpose. This purpose may be service to humanity, supporting justice, or helping the needy. When people stand together, they act as one strong body that reflects the values of their faith. On a spiritual level, it is a sense of being at one with the divine power, as it is defined by each religion. For many believers, rituals like prayer, fasting, or meditation create this bond with the divine. Through this connection, people feel united not only with each other, but also with the higher power they worship. For instance, Christian groups may unite for charity drives, or interfaith groups may come together to promote peace. These actions display unity and strength in creating positive social impact. Question: in the context of religion, give a brief explanation of similarities. Similarities in religion refer to the common features or practices that different religions share, despite their differences. These similarities can be found in beliefs, rituals, or moral values. These might be teachings about love, prayer, fasting, or respect for life. Recognizing these connections helps create understanding across faiths. It is important to realize that these can be superficial or very deep and fundamental. A superficial similarity may be the use of sacred objects like prayer beads, while a fundamental similarity may be the teaching of compassion and justice as key moral values. Both kinds are important in showing how religions overlap. One clear example is found in mythology. There are many similarities between the gods and goddesses in Greek and Roman mythology. While their names are different, they represent the same aspects of life, such as wisdom, war, and love, thus demonstrating how similarities reveal shared traditions across cultures and faiths. Question: in the context of religion, give a brief explanation of parable. A parable is a short story used in religion to communicate a moral or spiritual lesson. It is designed to make complex teachings simple and understandable through familiar images or situations. A parable illustrates a religious principle or answers a religious question. It does not exist just for entertainment, but carries deeper meaning that teaches values and beliefs. Another feature is that it is usually very short and contains definite moral or religious beliefs. The short nature allows it to be remembered easily, while its clear moral message guides people in their daily lives and spiritual growth. An example is given in Christianity. In the parable of the Good Samaritan, Jesus teaches us to have compassion for our neighbor. This story demonstrates that kindness and love should not be limited to friends or family, but extended to anyone in need, even strangers. Such stories continue to guide religious practice and moral decisions.
To access more learning and exam preparation materials, go to www.acemyexams.coza. This link is also in the video description below. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and be the first to know when we upload new videos.